Hello everyone and welcome to another quick shot video. Before we begin, I want to send a big thank you to Leah and Daniel Figueroa for donating this set to the channel. This is the retired Lego Retro Food Truck 40681 that consists of 310 pieces and is for ages 18 and up. The only thing missing is the little hot dog sign. The Lego Retro Food Truck was released January 1st, 2024 and retired January 15th, 2024. It was a 310-piece icons set with 2 minifigures. It was a free gift with purchase set that you got with purchases over $200 and features a detailed mid-century retro food truck with a food prep area, cooktop, soda machine, awning, menu board, and fold-down condiment tray. It includes the vendor and customer minifigures, plus food accessories like fries and a hot dog. The value for a new factory-sealed retro food truck is currently estimated at around $39. The retro food truck can be found for sale on secondary markets at a price range between $31 and $40. On the open market, a used set will sell in the range of $24 and $29 depending on its condition, although I have seen some sets being sold at upwards of $50. The couple that donated this set to the channel bought 2 of these sets because they enjoy building together and both wanted to build the same set. So I'm very appreciative that they donated their extra set to the channel. I think couples that build together are destined to stay together. If you are enjoying this video, this is a great time to like, comment, share, and subscribe. The building techniques in this set were really nice, and it was really enjoyable to put together. What a great looking little set. I did put the wheels on backwards because I kind of like the spoke look rather than the unfinished look. The truck itself has great retro styling with all the smooth lines making it look like an old style food truck. The customer is ready for her hot dog and has the money to pay. The condiment stand in the back does fold up for when the truck leaves. And here we have the little grill grilling the hot dogs and french fries available for purchase as well. Thank you so much for watching this quick shot video. I really appreciate it. Just remember, take care of yourselves, and if life starts getting you down, just take it brick by brick. See ya!